This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Towne Realty property video is presented by Lindley Walker. Come see this well-maintained 6-bedroom home with many upgrades. The open floor plan and gourmet kitchen with large island and double ovens will make entertaining a breeze. There is a first-floor bedroom with a full bath, along with an additional bedroom that can be an office on the first floor. The primary bedroom is a dream with a walk-in closet the size of an additional bedroom, sitting area, and spacious bathroom with a jetted tub, perfect for relaxing after a long day. Come see your new home before it's too late. For more information, review the details below.